Hi, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.v. Today we have a rally in shares of Tesla. This simple fact, it has been explained in advance in the course Live Technical Analysis, where we explain the concept of stock pivots. Stock pivots defined in real time, they can be utilized for a long period of time by traders, professional traders or investors, either on the short side or on the long side, with an accuracy near 1%, as I've been demonstrating investing in Tesla for the past years. Having said this, in the course, we are going to discuss more in detail the concept of algorithm trading, since it is the most important here at stockmarketlive.tv. Everything that you see on the website, the case studies, my live market calls, everything has a mathematical explanation. And the basics or the foundations for algorithm trading, it is precisely stock pivots, and you have to understand or comprehend stock pivots in order to evolve and to apply algorithm trading, which is rather simple in the end if you understand the basics. For example, you can predict with accuracy 1% what we call the concept of zero risk, and this applied to the long side and the short side, how much Tesla Motors was going to pull back after the company reported earnings. This was also explained in the course Live Technical Analysis, as well as when I upgraded Tesla to strong buy, covering short positions at $184.30. It was also possible to predict how much shares they were going to rally, utilizing the same concept of zero risk, as well as then explaining why Tesla share price rallied to $287 when I announced that I closed entirely the long position ahead of earnings, reversing to the short side. So these stock pivots that you find in real time defined on the website, and I'm referring to Tesla because it is for many one of the most complex stocks in the world, in fact can be used in any stock, in any financial instrument, and the proof of it is our track record for the past 30 years. So I repeat that everything that you see on the website, thousands of case studies, live market calls, as utilizing here the tape, it has a mathematical explanation, and this knowledge it is unique and therefore represents our competitive advantage, explaining the process and how to invest in the markets, also explaining or telling investors that they don't have to know exactly where the stock pivots are located, although if they know it, obviously they have by far greater advantage compared to others, because by using them, not only they can be utilized, as I said before, repeatedly in the future, as well as they allow you to know how much shares they can pull back or sell off, and this is important, defining the risk when you acquire a position or assume a position in a given stock. It is also possible to predict the potential profit involved in the same trade, and this is also very important in terms of risk analysis. That is precisely other section that we address in the course itself, as well as in the complete trader's course. And it is also possible, based on stock pivots, to identify, as I did in the case of recently Mobile Eye, making a call ahead of Intel buyout, to predict that something was going to happen, having 1% of a long position in Mobile Eye. That was so important to have it in order to maximize profits after the announcement. Okay, so my upgrade to strong buy in Mobile Eye at $35, and it was precisely the bottom. Or, for example, stocks as Sears Holdings, that I made a call, recent one, at $5.50, that was precisely the very bottom, and then shares they rallied 85%. Or last year in Freeport McMoran at $3.69, then shares they rallied 500% plus, or my call in AK Steel at $1.87, shares they rallied 1000%. So all these can be explained mathematically, and who comprehends obviously these theories, it has the secret to or the holy grail to invest in the markets, because represents continuous profits consistently. That is precisely the most important for a professional investor or trader, and in the end it is the core or the mission of the company with regards to all the service that we offer to investors. Algorithm trading, it is our most advanced service. Okay, so the other service, they have introductions, including, for example, the basic trading course. You also have lessons explaining the basics, utilizing one stock or a company that we have been discussing here for years, the case of Herbalife, where by having those stock pivots that I addressed and the lessons, you made significant, vast profits for a long period of time. Okay, so I repeat, this is very important to comprehend, and in the course Live Technical Analysis we are going to proceed more in detail with regards to this matter, which I believe to be of very high value to subscribers. Thank you.